Now, before we can trade futures, we'll need to transfer some funds to our futures wallet. To do that, we're going to go down to the bottom right to the Assets window. Now, if you don't already have some funds on your KuCoin account, you can simply click on Buy Crypto to transfer funds onto KuCoin. In my case, I already have funds in my KuCoin main wallet, so all I need to do is transfer over those funds to my futures wallet. So I'm going to click on Transfer. Almost all futures on KuCoin are settled in the stablecoin US dollar Tether. That's why I'm going to transfer over USDT into my futures wallet from my main KuCoin account. And I'm going to transfer over 100 USDT. And now under available balance, we can see 100 USDT that we can now use and trade with.